to be strong, Griff. There you go.
Walk your legs up, walk your legs up.
Keep climbing now, feet on the hips. Just keep climbing, Griff. You've got no base there. Hit the sweeps to get the arms. Keep attacking, Griff. You're working. You're sleeping. Underhook. There you go, there you go. Now climb when he tries to defend that. Keep climbing high, stacking in.
Hips out, hips out.
Hips up and out, hips up and out. There you go.
Pop your hip up to get the arm. Pop your hip up to get the arm on this side.
Keep popping, Griff.
You got it, you got it.
There you go, you got it.
Put it on, put it on, put it on, put it on, put it on. Put it on, he'll fall into it.
No, no, he's going to fall. There you go. Head right. There you go.
Control the arm.
Triangle. Cover. Drop the hips, Griff. There you go. Take it back. He's got nothing. Take the arm. And again, recover. There you go. There you go. Recover. Take time. Triangle.
Same again. Same again.
Same again. Now, that's all his game's just gone into trying to pass your guard. Now, climb again and breaking down. He's tired now. Keep climbing, Griff. 1 minute 15 gone, he's tired. Keep climbing, Griff. There you go. Push it in. Hit the sweep. Griff. Griff, keep hitting. Hit flower to armbar. Flower to armbar. Flower to armbar. Come on the top. Attack. Flower to armbar, Griff. Climb now. There you go. Yeah, isolate the arm. Push the other one in. Kimura, hip bump. Kimura, hip bump cycle. Kimura, hip bump cycle. Push that across. Push that across. There you go.
Give him a bit of space to get his
Griff,
arms.
let him up a bit. Let him work a bit. Let him make the mistake.
There, that's it.
There you go. Minute to go now, Griff. It's all yours. Get a good bite on this one.
If you attack, you can do that. Give him a bit of space.
Come on, you're gonna. Yeah, Griff. Let him open up a bit. Oh, hold him.
There you go, like that.
There you go. Now.
That's it.
Just keep hitting that armbar, Griff. When he opens, he's just stalling. So you've got an advantage.
Underhook the leg. Get your hips around. Come on, go.
Come on. Go, no, Griff. Just get on with the fight.
Keep attacking.
Keep attacking. There you go. On your side, arm in, come on. There you go. Leg in, triangle, flip the arm out. 30 seconds.
Watch the back.
30 seconds.
Watch the back.
Watch the pass. Good, Griff. Just keep it close now. 25 seconds, Griff. Sweep. Flower. He keeps coming over you. You should be sweeping it.
Take there. That's it. Hips out. Hips out.
Hips out. Keep hitting out. 15 seconds, Griff, and it's yours. He's going MMA, Griff. Get your knees down.
His arms. Get the arm.
Look at the arm, Griff. You should be on that like a rash. 5 seconds. Don't can opener him on top, please. 3 seconds. 2. There you go. Back. Head and arm. Good lad. Nice, Griff. He's getting a penalty.
Yeah,
I know. Yeah, it's alright, you get a bonus for arguing with him. So what's the deal?
Your grip wins on penalty.
Oh, okay. Griff.